Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add services to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in here and then just like click add and choose a strip. When you're going to choose a strip, you're going to see services here, right? Now here you want to click on services and just like choose which one you actually like, and then we are going to edit it together. Now here we can like, I don't know, choose this one. And what this is, like, these are just like columns. That's it. Like, these are the columns that you can create by yourself. You can simply change the background color here. So have like everything, I don't know, brown, right? Again, I would go with this one too. Right? And you can change the background colors, etc. You can simply change the vector art, change the text, and this is pretty much it. Like, these are not hard things to understand and to do. Now you can choose, like, again, I would just add here, I would go to the decorative vector art and I would find something, right? Icons, animal and nature, and then I would just edit it here. Again, I would change the names here, the text here, and that's pretty much it. So this is how we can add like our services in Wix. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.